Hi, and welcome back to SEO Consultant blog. This is Larry Moore from Moore Marketing Systems. And today I would like to cover just a few SEO tips for optimizing your WordPress site. WordPress is no doubt the most popular platform for publishing websites, and it's extremely important you make sure that your site is optimized. So let's just cover a few quick tips here. The first one is make sure when you're setting up your site that you set up your permalinks. And basically what permalinks are is if you leave the default on setting on your site, what you'll notice is when you create posts and pages is that after the name of your domain, the name of the page shows a bunch of basically undecipherable letters and numbers, nothing that is readable. So if you, for instance, look at the top of this page for this particular video, you'll see that after the domain name, the name of the post follows it. So it's Rockford SEO Consultant.com / and it's the name of the post. So make sure you go into your settings on your dashboard. And under that you'll find where you can adjust the permalinks. They give you some different options, but the most popular one is to set it so that the name of the actual post shows up for the permalink. The second tip is make sure that you put in a proper relevant site title and tagline. A lot of people will remember to name their site, but they sometimes forget to actually set up the tagline so that it's relevant and it has something to do with the site, something that ties into keywords. Like for instance, you might have the name of the site, Rockford SEO Consultant. But the tagline might be, this is a WordPress site, whatever the default is. So make sure that you set those up so that you name your site properly, it's relevant based on what the site is about, and be sure to include some keywords. Third thing is make sure you optimize your images. When you use any kind of pictures, videos, whatever the case may be on your site, make sure that you don't leave whatever the the stock name of the photo was when you put it on your site. You want to optimize it. You want to use what's called alternative text for images, or alt text for images, and it's real easy to set up on WordPress. Basically describe what the photo is about, include keywords if you can. Naturally you don't want to stuff keywords, but make sure that it's relevant, and if you put keywords in there to optimize those pictures, then Google can read what those pictures are actually about, because the search engine spiders can't actually see what that photo is. Also, when you are posting any kind of article or content, it's a very good idea to link to other content within your site. Basically, it's one way to let Google know that those pages are relevant. It's in a way you're kind of voting for those pages by linking to them, but it also provides additional content to your readers if you can link a related post or page to new material that you're putting on your site. I also want to cover very quickly and just very briefly some plugins you might want to consider for your WordPress site. There's a Google Analyticator, and basically it makes it easy to insert the the code for Google Analytics onto your site, and it also sets up a nice board for reading the metrics for your Google Analytics right on your site. There's a Google XML sitemap plugin where you basically can create an XML sitemap that's very friendly to Google and other search engines. Shareaholic makes it easy to share your posts. with social media and other venues. W3 Total Cache, it helps speed up your site. This plugin will basically allow you to cache your browser, page, object, and database so that your site can load faster. And last, WordPress SEO by Yoast. Basically, it just makes it very easy to optimize your site. There's a lot of good stuff with that plugin that makes it very user-friendly to SEO optimize your WordPress site. I know I went through this very quickly, but I just wanted to mention those plugins and some of the things that you can do to optimize your site. So keep those in mind when you set up your WordPress site. And if you have any questions, as always, you can contact us and we'd be happy to talk to you about helping you with your SEO program. This is Larry Moore with Moore Marketing Systems, and thanks for stopping by.